Hi, you might already know that RunZero is a network discovery and asset inventory platform that discovers all of your managed and unmanaged assets, whether they're in the cloud or on-premise, or if they're found in your IT environment or your OT environment. If you're not familiar with RunZero, please check out the link in the description below and then come on back, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with RunZero starting from scratch. Let's get started.
Getting started with RunZero. I've divided up this walkthrough into 3 different steps, the second of which is specific to the operating system. In this video, we will be executing step 2 on Mac OS X. If you're interested in following this walkthrough on Linux or Windows, please click on one of these links to switch over to those videos instead. All right, with that out of the way, let's get into step 1, which is to activate a console account. To do that, simply go to www.runzero.com and click on free trial. You'll notice we have 2 different editions of the free trial, both of which do not require your credit card. The Enterprise Pro Edition is a limited time trial that allows you to try out nearly every single feature in RunZero. It does require a business email address. The Starter Edition is the free forever edition with limited features, and is great for those at-home or student researcher type of use cases. Earlier, I created a Proton Mail account for this video. And at this point, we have submitted our email address for the console account, and what we need to do next is go ahead and activate it. And to do that, we need to switch over to our inbox to look for the activation link. And it is already here, and that's the activation link, so I'll click on that. And now we need to fill in a little bit of detail. And we have completed step 1, which is to activate the RunZero console account. In step 2, we're going to deploy the RunZero Explorer onto this Mac. The RunZero Explorer is the scanner that goes out and discovers assets on your network. If you're interested in doing this on Linux or Windows instead, please click on one of the links to go to those videos instead. Don't worry, you don't have to redo step 1. That is the same regardless of the operating system that's hosting the RunZero Explorer. All right, so on a Mac, what we need to do next is to open up a terminal window. If you're not familiar, one way to open up a terminal window is to go to your Finder and then go to Utilities and then double click on Terminal over there. Or what you could do is, if you have Spotlight, search for Terminal and then you can bring it up there. So what we do here is we click on this orange button. You don't have to copy and paste all that stuff. The orange button does all that for you. And then we just go ahead and paste that in, and it downloads the Explorer and prompts you for your password for the installation. And the installation is complete. You can verify the installation of the Explorer by going to Deploy, Registered Explorers. And as you can see, indeed, I have deployed the RunZero Explorer on my Mac. It's never been used before. Step 2 is now complete. Step 3 is to start a new scan of your network. Simply click on Inventory, then Scan, Standard Scan. And if you just want to get started right away, you could just go down to Initialize Scan and click on that and get going. But it's probably good practice to fill in a name. The discovery scope is automatically configured based on the machine that's hosting the RunZero Explorer, in this case my Mac. And then what you do is just Initialize Scan, confirm, and away we go.
So that's it. Start by activating a free trial or the Starter Edition. Next, install the RunZero Explorer. And then finally, initialize your first scan with RunZero. If you want to learn more about other RunZero features and functions, please check out the other videos in the RunZero product walkthrough series.